How to hide names on Snapchat notification. So if you want to hide names on Snapchat notification, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, now you need to scroll down and find the notification section. Under notifications, you can tap on device and app notifications and you can turn that on. And after that, you can go with bubbles and make sure that your bubbles are turned off. Go back and tap on notifications on lock screen. And here you need to choose hide notifications or don't show any notifications, or hide silent conversation and notifications, or show conversations default and silent. So you need to go with second or third option. In my case, I prefer third option, which will not show any notifications on our lock screen. And you can also turn on hide silent notifications in the status bar, and that's it. You can go back and it will hide the names on Snapchat notification. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.